चैनल गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर ऑल योर सपोर्ट। आज हम अपने न्यू वीडियो में आज हम कुछ न्यू इंटरेस्टिंग करने वाले हैं जो कि मैं यूट्यूब से ही इंस्पायर होकर मैं आज कर रही हूँ। आई एम सो फैसिनेटेड। आज हम करने वाले हैं व्हाट्स इन माई बैक सेगमेंट। यस गाइस, एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड। मैंने बहुत से लोगों को करते हुए देखा है। My favorite Janam Zubair Rahmani, Ameet Kaur and many others. So even I'm inspired by them, and I will be doing what's in my bag segment. So here we go with my cute bag. It's a black color slim bag, which is a handy bag, which I love it so much. And ये मैं कहीं पे भी जाती हूँ, I always carry it along. It's my whole everything which I need in my daily basis. Everything I can get in this. Really guys, it's too heavy and yes. So let's begin. So beginning, I'll be opening my bag. Cute bag. See, I just love it. Let's begin. What's in my bag? So here we go first with my purse, which is very important. I have all my cash in it. Yes, I have all my cash, which is very important. Then what should I begin with? I have mask, which is also very important nowadays. Then I have rubber bands. I have so many rubber bands, so many rubber bands. You even can't think of it. Here, my eyeliners, which I also love them a lot, and it's very good. Yeah, it is from the ADS company. What it is. Then it's compact powder, Lakme. Yes. I don't use it much, but I always carry. Always chocolates. I always have chocolates in my bag. I love chocolates. Then comes with a case in which I have all my kind of earrings, a few pendants, rings also. Whenever I go somewhere, I need this anytime, any day. I can wear them. It's just again one more rubber band. Yes, guys, I have so many rubber bands. Then again a chocolate. Again one more rubber band. Yes. Mask again. This mask is of my brother's. A mirror. It's cute mirror. I love this. Always carry it along. Then goes with cream. I don't apply it. पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है, but yes, I don't apply it much. Then I have this long-lasting waterproof eyeliner, black eyeliner. It's very beautiful, guys. I like it so much. Then I have मेरा बैग में बिल्कुल भी अरेंज्ड तो नहीं कहूँगी मैं. It's not at all arranged. ये segment, yeah, sanitizer, very important nowadays. Everyone should have it handy. Everyone should have it. Again, blusher. I have so much of makeup items. Then speaker, very important. I love listening to music. मुझे जब कहीं पे भी सुना दो, मैं हमेशा सुनने को तैयार रहती हूँ. तो मेरे लिए स्पेशली ये स्पीकर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. So cute, it's small, cute. Then I have one more sanitizer again. Yes, sanitizer is important. Then let's see. I have clips which I love so much. It's so cute. It goes with everything. And again, clutches. Also necessary for a girl who has a long hair, which always comes on her face around. It's important. Then obviously I have a comb, so many combs. I have a curly hair, so I need comb anytime, any day. Yes. Then it's Iodex. It is needed क्योंकि हम बच्चे हैं तो चोट लगती रहती है, सो मम्मा हमेशा रखते हैं इसको अपने पास. Then I have this hairband, again a nice necessary. It is fairness cream. I don't use it, but it's there for emergency. Then what's more there? Few medicines important. Kajal, cheap, yearly. I mostly put this one. जब मैं घर पे होती हूँ, मुझे सजना होता है ना, तब मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. चार्जर. I have MI Band 4, उसका चार्जर हमेशा बैग में रखती हूँ, always. Then I'll be showing you one more comb, my favorite. I love this. Then again rubber band. पता नहीं भी वो rubber bands मेरे पर्स में गए. Then clips. So many. See. Again, ये हमेशा रहते हैं मेरे बैग. सिंपल क्लिप्स. बाद में जब बाल ऐसे खुल जाते हैं ना, तब नेसेसरी पाउडर, पॉन्ड्स का पाउडर. अगेन अ मेडिसिन. देन हैंकरचिफ, इम्पॉर्टेंट. It's my lip gloss. I love this company. It's very nice. Lush Lips. Yes, guys. Lush Lips. Again. Let's see what more. I have this baby lips. I love the shade. जब भी मैं जाती हूँ ना, I don't like heavy makeup and all, so I want my lips to be looking natural. तो ये इसके लिए बेस्ट है, baby lips. Really. I have a pen. I'm a student, so I should have a pen. Nail cutter. I have a nail cutter also in my bag. Then there is cute pendant, a ring, cute pendant sets, cute earrings. I love earrings to wear. Really, I love earrings. I think that's it, guys. Everything is all done. Then this is a box, a small case for bindis. My mom bindi, वो बहुत अच्छे से बिंदी लगाता है, तो वो उन्हें चाहिए होता है. It's necessary for her. Then again in this pocket I am having a lip guard, Himalayas lip guard. Again a rubber band. जाने मेरे बैग में इतनी सारी रबर बैंड्स क्यों? Then clutch. This is here. I have so many clutches also. Then guys, nail paints. So many nail paints. Different shades. This is golden. Then I have a copper shade also, which is so beautiful. Silver. Then I have a glittery shade also. Then mirror nail polish. And many more. Cute earrings. I have this earring also. So yes, let me check at last. Charger, important. Or yes, that's it, guys. This is again eyebrow pencil, I guess. Yes, eyebrow pencil. मैं नहीं मिलूँगा. So yes, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this segment. I'm not क्या कहना चाहिए, मैं एकदम इसमें लाइक बहुत अच्छी नहीं हूँ on all these things, but I'm trying to come in YouTube to be a good YouTuber, and I'm seeing many videos on this, and thanks for it. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more notifications for my video. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe it. Please give me the support. Love you.